Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP low content channel. Finding good profitable book niche on Amazon KDP can be really hard, but in this video I'll give you 5 KDP niche ideas for you. So first of all, our first niche is human body coloring book niche for kids and adult. Means human body coloring book for kids and human body coloring book for adults. You have to create two books from this one niche. Human body coloring, first one is human body coloring book for kids, that is one book, and human body coloring book for adults, that is second book. So you can make two books from this niche from two audience, first kids and another is adult. So for two audience you have to two book from one niche. And our second niche is country garden coloring book for kids and adult. So same for human body coloring book niche. So you have to make out two books. First one is kids and second one is adults. So two audience you have to make two coloring book, country garden coloring book. And our third niche is floral botanical coloring book. Floral botanical coloring book for adult, and if you want to make it kids you have to make it, no problem. And our fourth niche is inspirational quotes coloring book for adult. So normally inspiration quote coloring book is perfect for adult, and for adult audience make sales more. And our fifth niche is alphabet number tracing workbook for kids ages 1 to 4, 3, 4, 2, 5, etc. So there is a 5 KDP niche ideas. So personally I suggest you this 5 niche is a profitable niche, and you have to work this 5 niche, and I hope you have to earn revenue from Amazon KDP. So if you have liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell icon when I can share my videos, more niche, more ideas about KDP self-publishing business. And please like, comment and share my videos. Thank you so much. Thank you all.